to fight the real battle? Bring the real you out of yourself. जिसके अंदर अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करने का गुर्दा और दम नहीं है, वो लोगों को जाके प्यार देगा, लोगों को लाइट दिखाएगा, लोगों को रास्ता दिखाएगा, वो गिरते हुए बच्चों को, गिरती हुई रूहों को उठाएगा, वो टूटे हुए दिलों को खड़ा करेगा. He'll tell them, he will have the heart to say, get back again and come on the pitch. Stop being a spectator. इसके लिए दम चाहिए, अगले की वीकनेस को एक्सेप्ट करने का गुर्दा चाहिए, उसकी वीकनेस को हार्नेस करके स्ट्रेंथ बनाने का दिल चाहिए. और ये एक तासुब, कल्टिश, इनसिक्योर, एरोगेंट, जेलस, डिमेंटेड हार्ट नहीं कर सकता. जिससे हर स्टेज के ऊपर अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट मिली है, वो क्या जानेगा दुख क्या होता है, वो क्या जानेगा दर्द क्या होता है, वो क्या यूनिकनेस लाएगा अपने प्रोडक्ट के अंदर. और लेट मी टेल यू, योर स्पीच बिकम्स यूनिक व्हेन यू अटैच दैट पेन विद इट. That voice that doesn't have words, that voice that only has essence, comes in loneliness. It is the heart that matters, because when the body gets exhausted, when your limbs are dying and sweating and falling apart, it is the heart that carries you to your destination. It is the heart that makes a difference. It is the heart who has done workout between the fight between the roosters, between the fight between two fighters. It is the one who has done his ethical, emotional, psychological, spiritual, physical, moral, collective, individual, personal, on every aspect on which he has actually worked on his heart, will win in the end, will be the one who will cross that checkered flag. Because if you're not eating, someone's going to eat you down. If you're not working, someone is working against you. Even this body is not going to respond one day to you. You need to keep working. Continuity, consistency, certainty, resistance, and being there in exercises, getting up all the time and saying to yourself, I will change, I will improve, I will not settle for less. This is not me. I will not be taken for granted. I will not be treated as a trash. People looking at you like garbage. People looking at you as something taken for granted. Don't do that to yourself. That's pathetic, man. You're far more better than that. You're far more valuable than that. Don't let your husbands do that to you. Don't let your wives do that to you. Don't let the world do that to you. Dream big. Dream that you need to work out for it. Dream that your body will go through pain you can't even imagine. But the sweetness of that success at the end of that ladder is so beautiful. It is so promising that I can't tell you. Work so hard that your signature becomes an autograph. Work so hard that you are known in the hearts of dreams of people. You need to work so hard. And for that, it's going to kill you down. A time would come when you will stand on the rostrums, when it would be your dice and your time. Say these words to the most beautiful haters you had in your life. I, from the depths of my heart, with the most humble and most down-to-earth attitude, respect and say thank you to all those great people who slapped me day in, day out, who nailed me day in, day out. If you wouldn't have done this with me, I wouldn't have found my true self.